Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to download and create a Grindr account. First, open the Play Store on your Android device. Tap the search bar at the bottom and type Grindr. When it appears in the results, tap Install to download the app. Once it's installed, open the Grindr app. Tap Sign Up at the top right corner. Then click Next and accept the terms. Enter your date of birth, then tap Next. Type in your email address and create a password. Tap Create Account, then complete the CAPTCHA to verify you're not a bot. And that's it! You've successfully created your Grindr account. Now you can start setting up your profile and connecting with others. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.